It looks so amazing. The view is beautiful. The surface. Oh, welcome to Konansou.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Two Hungry Diners. We traveled to Japan for the first time late last year, and one of the things that we really want to do is to experience staying at Ryokan. Ryokans are Japanese-style inns or hotel found throughout the country, especially in hot spring resorts. These Japanese-style hotels are more than just a place to sleep. They are an opportunity to experience the traditional Japanese lifestyle and hospitality, incorporating elements such as tatami floors, futon beds, Japanese-style baths, and local cuisine, making them very popular with both Japanese and foreign tourists alike. During this Japan trip, we stay at Ryokan property called Konansou, located in Kawaguchiko. This Japanese-style hotel is around 10-minute walk from the Kawaguchiko Station. However, the free shuttles are available after 3 p.m. If you need to find more information regarding this property, please check the description box below.
So guys, we've been served a hot tea by the attendant. What do you call her? What do you call her actually? Assistant?
Yeah, assistant. Room assistant, I think.
Room assistant. It's like a welcoming drink basically if you just arrive at the Ryokan. First impression is so impressive already. I think it's quite good the price.
There are different types of guest rooms you can book in this Ryokan. Our room is the Lakeview Japanese-style room with tatami floors and futon beds. And unlike most hotel rooms, our rooms looks a lot like a mini house where you can find a large entrance area, a large washroom with fully equipped Japanese toilet, a decent-sized wardrobe to store your day clothing.
Nice touch. 4 carry bag.
4 carry bag? I thought only 2. Oh yeah,
4
carry bag.
This is useful if you wanna go to the onsen.
Yeah.
You can use this bag. Put all your stuff, towel, everything, your clothes in here.
And a guest room with tatami floors. While we were at dinner enjoying the Kaiseki feast, the Ryokan staff discreetly visited the room and turned the guest area into a sleeping area by laying out Japanese-style bedding commonly known as futon beds. Many traditional Ryokans do not have an ensuite bathroom, but you'll be surprised to find that many rooms in this Ryokan property, including our room, have its own private ensuite bathroom. This can be a very important factor to many travelers, so make sure to ask before selecting your Ryokan room. Private shower, right?
Yeah.
I know you like it because you don't
I like it.
Yeah.
I like it. I like private bath.
Perhaps the main selling point for our room is the open-air bath with a great view of Lake Kawaguchiko, making it a perfect destination to relax and pamper yourself with a lavish and unforgettable holiday in Japan.
If you want to have a, Instagram pictures, you can take time as much as you want.
No.
Ooh, it's getting chilly in here. Look at this. It's pretty decent balcony. It's quite large.
Yeah.
Even larger than our balcony in Melbourne.
Yeah, looking forward to stay, kind of relaxing before we go back to Tokyo and spend the rest of the holiday there.
Before going back to the crowded city. This one is, I think it's well deserved. Even though you need to spend quite a bit of money.
Yeah.
Quite a bit of money, but anyway, just one night. That we won't do it in like more than one night.
Right.
I'm doing some kind of, you know.
Oh, by the way, hang on. We're not gonna end here because we're gonna review the dining. Yes.
Dinner time
Dinner
is
time.
the most
7:15.
anticipated time for
Yeah.
me.
Cool. Okay, let's come in and get ready. The typical staying plan meal in this ryokan is Kaiseki style cuisine for the dinner and buffet style for the breakfast. The guests can dine either in their room or in the individual tatami floor cabin in the restaurant and the banquet room. This will be adjusted according to the staying plan and also the number of the party. While Kaiseki meal can vary, there are usually some standard courses and the chef decides the order, and this ryokan is no different.
I think the first thing we need to follow is the aperitif, which is the alcohol. First one is the grape sake. It tastes for me like a syrup, grape syrup with alcohol. It's very, very sweet, which I like. I don't know what type of sake is this, but yeah, from the label it has the Mount Fuji pictures. So maybe this is a local sake. But I'm gonna try it. Oh, it's quite strong.
Yeah?
Because I'm not an alcohol drinker, I'm not a sake lover, so I would just say it's good. It's good for the meal. A little bit like a, it's jiggly, I think. It's sweet. That's why I'm quite confused with Japanese meal. Sometimes you get a sweet dish, and then the next item is salty. Next item is different thing again. And the next one, I can see pieces of chicken and some kind of mousse. Sesame paste mousse. This could be the appetizer. This one could be tamago. No, it's sweet. Can't really tell what that is. Sorry, guys. I almost destroyed the shape of Mount Fuji. This is yes. Now I destroyed it. Boiled potato shape in the Mount Fuji, and this one, tuna.
Oh. This one is tuna, obviously. This one is maybe tuna as well. But this one is salmon, obviously. You can see the skin.
Yeah.
I reckon this one is snapper. And the kingfish as usual. Wasabi, as always. Can't fault the sashimi. I mean,
Yeah. So far we haven't got any bad sashimi in Japan.
Yeah.
It's always good and fresh.
Your first sukiyaki with egg.
Yes, first time in Japan. So tender. Is this konjac?
Konnyaku konjac.
The beef is the star. I thought it's going to be like chewy. It's been boiling for quite a long time, but it's still tender. It's so good. And the egg, oh, that makes it richer taste. This is the matsutake mushroom.
It's good. It's really light. It's really subtle kind of soup dish. But you can still taste the mushroom flavor. It's very very light.
And the boiled dish, shall we try this as well? I don't know what this is. If you just read the description, you wouldn't even imagine the texture or the shape. So what will it will be like when you actually see it? See at the bottom? That's the chicken. Means chicken covered with the white radish. And it's steamed. The next main course that I'm going to try is the vinegar dish, This is basically a tofu and seafood and vegetables with vinegar. I'm going to try the fish first. Mackerel.
Yeah.
And the tofu with one
Ikuro.
little shot of something. Yellow sauce and ikuro. And different texture of tofu. I don't know how to describe it. It's weird, but it's good. It's almost the end of the main course, I think. We already tried the sukiyaki, and the last thing for the main course is the rice and soup set. So it comes with the rice in this little pot, and what else? Miso soup. So the miso soup is quite unique because it has a piece of crab. Rice first.
I like this rice better than the one that we had in Nara because it has like more stronger flavor, even though it's still very very light. You know what I mean?
Ooh, very salty,
Yeah.
but it has a strong taste of the crab. Dessert is yuzu jelly, potato, and fruits. Fruits means the grapes, I think, in a tart. It's cute. Okay, at the first glance, you might think doesn't really make sense. Tart, grapes, potato. But when you actually have it together, it's fine. Like it
It's gonna make sense.
makes sense. Not bad at all. I mean, I like it. Yeah.
Everything here is so well prepared, showcasing the use of seasonal ingredients and various traditional Japanese cooking techniques. We were so amazed with the simplicity and the beauty of each of the dish while still packed a punch of flavor. And the respect to the ingredients is something we all can learn from the Japanese. Another reason we chose this property is because this ryokan offers uninterrupted, picturesque panorama of Lake Kawaguchiko, scenic mountains, and also Mount Fuji from the roof terrace. We were fortunate enough to get a clear sky the next day, even though the whole morning that day was super foggy. This is just another item on our bucket list that we can happily tick off for now.
So guys, this is our view from the rooftop of our hotel. Look at that. How amazing. Oh, so good.
We also check out the public onsen area, but we didn't take any videos inside as this is a public facility and no recording devices are allowed. This public onsen is pretty cool because it offers the view of Mount Fuji, a great way to relax while enjoying the beauty of Mount Fuji. We also had some breakfast before going back to Tokyo later that afternoon. The breakfast is buffet style and offers a mixed selection of Western and Japanese style cuisine. It was great and amazing breakfast. It's great to start your day in this ryokan. Okay guys, that's it from us. We hope this video is useful enough for you guys if you are planning to book a ryokan stay the next time you travel to Japan. We do apologize for the shaky footage, but we are more than happy to answer any questions related to your ryokan stay. even though it can be a bit expensive, but it certainly is an experience we will never forget. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to help our channel to grow so we can post more video like this in the future. Also, we post new videos every Sunday. If you turn on that notification button, you'll be notified every time we post a new video. Until then, stay foolish, stay hungry. Bye bye.